both experienced runners. We know how to. Yes, because man, we are practiced
Are
at it.
you kind of implying that there's a problem? Is
Well,
that,
there might have been problems in the past, even with history lessons.
yeah, and I have to tell you, today's segment actually came to us because we were talking in the car, and all of a sudden the kid combines a little bit of science and history. Go, Scotty, tell Mr. Koberg.
Okay, so in 1872, well, I go to school in Littleton, and we, as part of Littleton history, we learned about the Rough and Ready flour mill, and in 1872, the entire flour mill caught fire and exploded.
Oh, was your father there?
No.
Well, that's
No,
amazing.
Mr. Koberg was. He was the plant
As an
foreman.
employee.
Yeah. So,
It's not funny.
yeah.
Yes.
So, but there have been a lot of grain elevator explosions,
Yeah.
right? And what's it called?
It's called a
Dust.
explosion, and so
from the grain.
yeah, the grain
from the
catches
grain.
fire.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd recreate that today. Why wouldn't we?
well,
So
of
put it on
course.
your safety
Oh,
glasses. You've got
all
a
right.
fire extinguisher next to you just in case
yes,
there's a
I do.
problem. Instead of using flour, now here's the thing. If I took a bucket of flour and tried to catch the bucket of flour on fire, it doesn't catch on fire. But as soon as you distribute it in the air, then it does catch on fire. It's like taking a log and trying to catch that one thing on fire or breaking it up into kindling. So we've done this with a spore. This is a spore called lycopodium. And so special effects artists use this a lot. So here is lycopodium.
Oh.
Right? So if I take
Like
a little bit of
pollen.
lycopodium and I put it here on
Yeah.
the table, and now I try to catch the lycopodium on fire, nothing happens at all. See, it doesn't catch on fire.
No.
But the moment you distribute it in the air, then
Oh.
you get something else. All right, so Scotty, you got your safety glasses
I
on?
do.
All right, so one
for it.
little grain catches the next, or one little piece catches the next one, catches the next one. So it looks something like this. Here, watch what happens.
Oh!
Pretty amazing. See?
Awesome.
So if you can imagine that release of energy, isn't that crazy?
That was crazy. Yes.
I know, a little
right,
wild.
yes.
So then I thought, well, there'd be another way to distribute it. So I learned this from a special effects artist. So this kind of goes in here like this. So here's our lycopodium that goes in here. So again, the real danger is the fact that it's distributed in the air. And once the little grain, if you can imagine a grain elevator, here's why it exploded. Imagine a grain elevator not having good ventilation back then. If a spark at all sets something off, one catches the next. So it's a chain reaction. If you saw this in slow motion, it would be pretty crazy. But here, watch this. I'll do it right to the camera. Watch. Isn't that wild?
Go.
That is
Wild.
great.
But then we thought, you know what? Why don't we recreate the
Why
green
not?
elevator, right?
Why
Scotty?
not?
Yes.
All right. So here's what we have here. So Mr. Koberg, look down inside. You can see we've got some candles
Oh,
inside
yes.
the can.
Yes, we
Got
do.
it?
Yes.
So I'm going to light these on fire here
Okay.
like this.
All right.
So there's no problem with that. Hey, Scotty, give me your shoe. I need your shoe, buddy.
Okay.
Okay, got that. So I need
Here
your
you
shoe.
go.
Got it. All right. So just in case, I'm just lighting this on fire. So we just have a little. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. All right. So now I think we've
This is
put.
not an advertisement.
Yeah.
No, it's not an advertisement. It's good. So you see, we're putting the lycopodium inside there.
that was
also.
that
Be
was
careful.
close. Be careful.
Be careful. We're fine. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, feeling good? So now this goes on here like this. And we
Okay.
kind of push it down.
Like
and
the
then
grain
you just hit it
elevator.
like this. You kind of.
Oh.
Good.
Oh,
all the way
that's
around.
good, that's
now
good.
let's see if there's enough there. I don't know if there's enough. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Wild.
I saved you again. I saved
Thank
your life
you.
again.
Most of the
Thank
Spangler
you.
boys do not have eyebrows, but that's how.
I'm the
Mr.
lucky
Koberg,
one.
can you tell them about the website? I'll light yours
All right.
so you can do one.
All of Steve's experiments, of course, are on the very. Oh, there's something floating down from the ceiling.
Oh, it's fine.
Are on the colorful website at 9news.com, the Spangler Science website. Stevie, thank you. It's kind of
Thank you.
great
Go
to
ahead
see you
and blow
again.
on that one,
Okay,
Mr.
you ready?
Koberg.
Watch this.
Here we go. Not, oh,
The wizard is not at home. We'll be right back.